Sunrise peeking through the frosty pane. Each breath a cloud, I feel the winter's pain. The floorboards creaking, every step a chill. No cozy warmth, just standing perfectly still. It's honking cold from my head to my toes. No heat to comfort as the northern wind blows. Just shivers dancing a frosty bitter tune, wishing for the sun and the warmth of the moon. Pull my sweater tighter, but it ain't enough. This icy grip, it's really getting rough. My teeth are chattering, can barely make a sound. Just as cold all around, all around. It's honking cold from my head to my toes. No heat to comfort as the northern wind blows. Just shivers dancing a frosty bitter tune, wishing for the sun and the warmth of the moon. Dreaming of a fireplace, a crackling fiery light, or a big warm blanket holding me tight. Reality bites with its icy frozen sting, just a honking cold, every single thing. It's honking cold from my head to my toes. No heat to comfort as the northern wind blows. Just shivers dancing a frosty bitter tune, wishing for the sun and the warmth of the moon. Honking cold, yeah, it's honking cold. The story of winter, bravely told. Honking cold, oh, the honking cold, waiting for spring to make me bold.